Welcome knowledge keepers to Human Discovery. Today in this tutorial I will be your guide as we embark on the journey of creating your very own website using the powerful WordPress platform. Whether you are a beginner taking your first step or someone with prior experience, this comprehensive step-by-step tutorial is designed to help you get started on the right. So without further delay, let's dive right into and unleash your creativity. The first step is to choose a domain name that represents your website purpose. Once you have a domain in mind, you'll need a web hosting provider. Look for a reliable hosting company that offers good customer support and uptime. I created a demo website as a guide and I used a free hosting and domain platform for it. I decided to go with Phantom.io as my free hosting provider. Let me show you the interface of Phantom.io. Step 2. Installing WordPress. Many hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installation. Phantom.io is also offer one-click WordPress installation. Let's go ahead and install WordPress. I'll show you how it's done. Now let's proceed with the installation of WordPress by creating a free website. As you can see, we have three options: CMS or custom templates or WordPress. We'll begin with WordPress. This is the WordPress installation process, and after completing it, we can access the WordPress dashboard. Step 3. Accessing the WordPress dashboard. After the installation is complete, you can access your WordPress dashboard. This is where you all manage your website. Let's log in and explore the dashboard. Step 4. Choosing a theme. Now it's time to choose a theme for your website. WordPress offers a wide range of free and premium themes. Let's find a theme that suits your website style and install it. If you are interested in getting premium themes without any cost, I included a video in the description below where you can find out how to do it. Step 5. Customizing your themes. Once you activated your theme, it's time to customize it to match your brand and preferences. Let me show you how to make changes to your theme's appearance using the WordPress customizer. Step 6. Installing essential plugins and extra functionality to your website. There are thousands of plugins available, so let's install a few essential ones that will enhance your website's performance, security and SEO. I only need these plugins which I will install according to my requirements. If you guys want free premium plugins or themes, I have already shared a video on this topic in the description and comments of that video. You can watch it there. Step 7. Creating pages and posts. Now let's create the core content of your website. WordPress uses two main content types: pages and posts. I'll guide you through creating and publishing both. So first, how to create a new page. To create a new page in WordPress, log into your website's dashboard, navigate to the pages section and click on add new. Enter a title for your page, add content using the visual or text editor. Customize page settings such as parent page, template and publish the page. So second, how to create a new post. To create a new post, go to the post section in the WordPress dashboard and click on add new. Provide a title, write your post content using the editor, format it as needed, assign categories and tags, add a featured image if desired, and finally publish the post. Step 8. Customizing menus. Navigate menus help visitors navigate your website easily. Let's create a menu and add pages to it, so your visitors can access different sections of your site. Navigate to the appearance section, click on menus to enter the menu editor, where you can create and customize your menus by adding pages, posts, categories or custom links. Arrange the menu items, assign a location and save your changes to update the menu on your website. Step 9. Configuring website setting. It's important to configure some essential settings to optimize your website. Let me walk you through the WordPress setting panel, where you can set your site title and tagline and more. Step 10. Installing essential security measures. Lastly, we need to ensure your website's security. I'll show you how to install and configure security plugin to protect your site from potential threats. There are numerous security plugins available for WordPress, but the one I highly recommend is WonderFence. It offers a comprehensive range of features that effectively safeguard your site against potential threats. Personally, I rely on this plugin to protect my website due to its robust security features. So knowledge keepers, this is the basic knowledge of how to create a website using WordPress from scratch. This versatile platform enables you to design and customize your website according to your unique requirements and preferences. Remember, this tutorial covers the basic and there's so much more to explore and customize in WordPress. Don't be afraid to experiment and make your website truly unique. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment. See you next time.